Ronald. Hello, Lemboy. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Isabel. Oh, ala. Thank you kay Kimo. Thank you so much, Kimo. Follow natin guys si Kimo. Sorry guys, di ko nakikita eh. Thank you, Kimo. Thank you po. Dami mo visitor na katambay lang. Kaya nga guys eh. Thank you, Kimo. Thank you guys. Thank you so much po. Sino ba to? Si Miss Nakita? Kiara? Sino to guys? Si ano ba yan? Si Whiskey ba yan? Guys, si Whiskey ba yan? Sino yan? Thank you, BNY. Thank you so much, BNY. Guys, na-appreciate ko kayo, guys. Guys, ngayon lang ako nakapag-live kasi late na ako nakauwi. Kakagaling ko lang sa school ngayon. Kaya, hindi ako masyado na ano. Wait lang, guys, ah. Ala, thank you, Richard. Thank you so much. Wait lang, guys. May reply lang ako. Wait, guys. Sino yun? Thank you, guys. Teka lang, guys, ah. Teka lang, guys. Wait lang. May reply na ako. Ala, guys, si Meatball. Wait, sabi ko guys, wait lang eh. Ala, thank you, Meatball. Thank you so much, Meatball. You're sending na pala, Meatball, ah. I'm sorry, guys. I was checking my inbox, guys. Sorry, Meatball. Hi, Meatball. Thank you so much, Meatball. I really miss you, Meatball. I-miss ko, guys, si Meatball. Thank you, guys. Hello, Jay. Shout out, ma'am. Hello, shout out kay Jay. And kay Rocky Chow. Hi, Meatball. You miss me, Meatball. Hello. Hi, guys. Thank you, CJ. Thank you, kay CJ. Ganda mo, be. Thank you po, Rocky. Thank you, guys. Ay, Amado. Hello. Hello, guys. Guys, sorry, kakagaling ko sa school. You miss me, Meatball, ah. I just got home, guys, from school. So, I'm tired right now and I did not eat yet. Ilang taon ka na po? 20 years old. 20 years old po. Guys, my eyes is so lazy. Ilang taon ka na po? 20 years old. Guys, taga Cebu. Pero sa Mandawi. Mandawi, guys. Grabe. Uy, hindi, guys. Guys, 20 na ako. Grabe naman kayo sa grade 6. Bawal lang bata dito. Guys, 20 years old na ako. 20 years old na to, guys. 20 years old na po ako. Tingnan yung bukong haba-haba. 20 years old na ako. Guys, naging grade 6 pa nga